What's up, it's your boy Ganja, and we're gonna do the fastest DIY video ever. How to make an LED mirror light. Cool, so what you gotta do, you gotta buy some of these, bang. $5 from Walmart, cool. Mirror, boom. $10, $5, however much you wanna spend on a motherfucking mirror. Measure shit out. You gotta measure this thing all the way over to this thing. Then you gotta measure how far this thing is to this thing. Alright, so that's 4 inches right here. Boom. That's 25 inches this way. You do the same shit on the wall. How far you need it? Okay. Boom. I want it this high up. Alright, go 4 inches down. Boom. That's the middle. 25. Boom. Real quick. Harris tip. Plug this shit in first. Cause if you don't, you are gonna have a hard ass time. Next step, hang that bitch on the wall. Boom. If you measured correctly and your dumbass didn't measure once and did actually measure twice like I told you to, it'll be perfect like Harris just did. Boom. Next step, what you think? Plug it in. Alright, so Ganja is an absolute gangster and genius, so I'm just gonna plug it into a power bank. Let's see if it works.
And there we have it.
Yeah, you see it. You see it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see it. Harris decided there wasn't enough LED lights, so he's gonna put some more damn LED lights. So it's another $10 for this, but we just bougie as fuck. But yeah, that's pretty much the DIY video. How to make an LED DIY mirror for your bedroom, your studio if you have one. You know what I'm saying? If you like us. Or anywhere else that you wanna put a fucking LED mirror. So yeah, stay up, keep watching all the videos, like, subscribe, all that shit. Gang. Alright, so this is bro's finished product. After the double lights and shit. Gotta get it from all angles. Woo. It's crazy. She goes crazy. It's like it's floating off the motherfucking wall.